Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Good morning to everyone. Take out your books.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Take it out.
Take it. Which state are we supposed to start today?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Which state are we supposed to start today? You don't know?
Ma'am, I know.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Chand
I should like that. There should be Bihar. We have to
no,
start.
not Bihar. We have to start with Chandigarh. Yes. We are supposed to start with Chandigarh.
Oh, ma'am, I was confused because, ma'am, you were teaching this chapter, and you have also tell about the Uttar Pradesh little bit. So, ma'am, I was confused.
I just told that we live in the state of Uttar Pradesh. That's it. We did not discuss anything. The last we did was Delhi. Yes?
Ma'am, can I read?
Read better. No, yesterday who all didn't get the turn to read? Harsh, you didn't get the turn to read yesterday?
Ma'am, I also not get. Ma'am, I also not get.
Okay.
Ma'am, I also not get.
All right. Let's start with Vikas. Vikas,
Ma'am, because
Vikas got
Chandigarh. Ma'am, Chandigarh is a union territory as well as a city. It is the capital city of both Haryana and Punjab. It is a very well planned city where the straight roads divide it into sectors forming a grid. Each sector has its own hospital, educational institutions, parks, markets, and shopping malls. Chandigarh is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. Most of Chandigarh is covered with dense banyan and you. Ma'am, what's this?
Banyan.
Ma'am, banyan after banyan and end.
Eucalyptus.
Eucalyptus plantations, the rock garden, and the rose garden are famous tourist spots.
Very good. So you all must have heard about the rock garden of Chandigarh. Have you?
Ma'am, it is in a GK book. I have visited.
Yes, you have visited also. Very nice. And
Yes, ma'am.
do you know that Chandigarh is a union territory? Do you
Yes,
all?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Chapter is on Chandigarh.
It is a very well planned city. What do you mean by well planned? The construction of the city is very well. The roads and all, the connection, the linking roads and all are very well planned. It is not a haphazard city. It is not an unplanned city. It is a well planned city with straight roads. Divide it into sectors forming a grid. It is properly divided into sectors which forms a grid. You know how nicely a grid is planned, right? Yes?
Yes, and ma'am, in Chandigarh there is no too much of garbage.
Yes, it is a very neat green city. Then
Ma'am, what a beautiful place.
Most of the Chandigarh is covered with dense banyan and eucalyptus plantation. Okay. Next, coming on to Uttar Pradesh.
Ma'am, I want to read the
Can I
Uttar
read?
Pradesh.
Ma'am, can I, Pratyok? Ma'am, can
Can
I?
I, Harsh?
Please. Ma'am,
Harsh,
I don't get the chance. Ma'am, I also don't get the chance.
okay, beta, wait. Today you'll get. Harsh, read out Uttar Pradesh.
Okay,
Just
ma'am.
the first
Uttar
paragraph.
Pradesh is the most thickly populated state of India. Lucknow is its capital. The Ganga, Yamuna, Gomti, Ghagra, Betwa, and Chanbal rivers flow through the state. The climate in Uttar Pradesh is generally warm and with the rainy season lasting from June to September. The land here is flat and fertile. The natural vegetation includes grasslands and forests. Major crops such as wheat, rice, sugarcane, and maize are grown. The state also produces delicious varieties of mangoes known as the sherry and the langra.
That's all. That's all, beta.
Agra and Kanpur are some of the important cities of Uttar Pradesh. The famous Taj
That's
Mahal is
all.
situated in Agra and it
Harsh,
attracts tourists.
non-stop train.
Yes, ma'am.
Express train. The
Okay,
express
ma'am.
train is not stopping children. Let's pull the chain. Huh? Harsh, I told you
Okay.
so many times to stop. Okay, that is all. You just have to read till here. So we all know that how thickly Uttar Pradesh is populated. We go here and there. Don't we see lot of people on the roads? It is always
Yes, ma'am.
crowded.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is uh, a perfect example of reading it out that it is thickly populated. Then Lucknow is the capital. We all know it. The rivers that flow through the state are to be underlined. All of you underline states. The climate in Uttar Pradesh is generally warm. Yes?
Ma'am.
Is it warm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. It
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
except for these 3 months,
Yes, ma'am.
December, January, February. It is warm.
Ma'am, what's the line? Excuse me, ma'am.
You have to underline the names of the rivers that flow through this state. Yes, Pratyaksh.
Ma'am, I have taken bath in Ganga.
Oh, very good.
Ma'am, I have also.
Very good. The climate in Uttar Pradesh is generally warm with the rainy season lasting from June to September. We all know that it rains between June to September only. The land here is flat and fertile. Yes. And the natural vegetation includes grasslands and forests. So what is the natural vegetation of Uttar Pradesh?
Grasslands and forest.
Yes.
Grasslands and forest.
The crops that are grown here are wheat, rice, sugarcane, maize, and maize, sorry. The state also produces mangoes. And which breed of mangoes, which variety of mangoes is found? The sherry.
The sherry and langra.
I'm sure all of
Ma'am,
you, all of you
Yes,
know what the sherry mangoes are and what langra mangoes are. Do you know?
Ma'am, I have eaten.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next, Tuti, read out the next paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. Taj Mahal and the Kanpur are some of the important cities of Uttar Pradesh. The famous Taj Mahal is situated in Agra and it attracts tourists from all over the world. Kanpur is famous for textile,
Textiles,
chemicals,
chemicals,
and engineering.
engineering, industries.
Industries. Carnatic, a famous classical dance organized in
What
Uttar
is
Pradesh.
it?
Uttar Pradesh is a
for
Beta.
its handicraft such as silk. Sorry.
Stuti, beta, it is not Karnataka, it is Kathak. Read properly.
Kathak.
A famous classical dance originated in Uttar Pradesh.
Kathak, a famous classical dance organized in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is a famous for its handcraft such as silk, sa-
Saris,
the brocade region of
brocade.
Varanasi and
Wait, Stuti, beta, you need to wait. See, brocade design. Read properly.
brocade design.
Yes.
Brocade design of Varanasi, the
Chicken embroidery.
embroidery of Lucknow, the capri in
Carpentry.
carpentry in Sa
Saharanpur.
Saharanpur, the brass work of
Moradabad.
Moradabad. Hindi and Urdu are the dominant
Dominant.
spoken language of Uttar Pradesh.
Hindi and Urdu are the dominant spoken languages. Dominant. What do you mean?
Dominant. The meaning of dominant.
Dominant is like they are majorly spoken. Over all other languages, Hindi and Urdu are spoken more. So that is something when something becomes dominating. Yes. Pratyaksh, why are you raising hand?
Ma'am, for reading.
Just wait. Keep your hand. What do you mean by carpentry?
On the scale of making furniture such as chair, table, etc.
furniture such as chairs, table, etc.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, I have also said the same.
Yes, it is given down there. I didn't know. Okay. Carpentry is the woodwork of any place. Yes. So it is famous in Saharanpur. And the brass work of Muradabad is very famous. We have other two cities, that is Agra and Kanpur, which are the important cities of Uttar Pradesh. Why? Because Agra has, what does Agra have? Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal.
Yes, and it is famous for its leather also. And why is Kanpur known? Why is Kanpur an important city? Because of
Ma'am, for,
industries.
for textile, chemical, and leather and
engineering industries.
It has
Ma'am, what is the
industries.
meaning of leather?
Leather, beta, leather is a kind of fabric. Leather shoes are made, leather jackets are made, leather clothes have started being made, bags are made. Leather you extract it from animals. Yes, it is extracted from animals and it is a very expensive material. If
Ma'am,
you,
with camel also we get.
yes,
And with camel we get the belt and coat.
camel leather, very good. Then,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, my sisters live in Kanpur.
okay. Have you been to Kanpur?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next time when you go to Kanpur, you must see these industries. You must have a round. Okay, go for a round and ask your sister where these industries are. Yes. Then, coming on to the next state, that is Bihar. Pratyaksh, you read yesterday, na?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Keep your
Ma'am, she is not supposed to read.
I didn't read.
Rishabh,
Yes, ma'am, she is also read. Yes, ma'am, she is
Did I?
yesterday.
beta,
Mama, I didn't read.
listen, who is the teacher in the class? Who is the teacher? Hannah, mute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. Rishabh, you didn't get the turn yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you will read Bihar.
Okay, ma'am.
West Bengal. West Bengal is
बेटा
situated in
बिहार
the.
में हैं हम. Where are you going?
Okay, ma'am. Bihar. Bihar lies in the eastern part of India. It is bordered by Nepal in the north. West Bengal is the east. Uttar Pradesh is the west and Jharkhand in the south. Patna is capital of Bihar. The major rivers flowing through the states are the Ganga, Gandak, and Kosi and Son River. Bihar has a warm climate with the monsoon in July and August. As the state has many rivers, the fertile soil is used for the cultivation of crops such as rice, sugarcane, and vegetables. Rice, pulses, and vegetables from the steppe food of Bihar. Litti Chokha is one of the most famous dish of Bihar. Bihar is famous for Madhubani paintings. The people here also make cane and bamboo article and duris.
Daris.
Bhagalpur is famous for its fine quality silk. Bihar has many places of historical importance which attract a lot of tourists. Gautam Buddha spent many years living and preaching in the Bodh Gaya,
Nalanda.
Nalanda, and ancient Buddhist monastery is a center of learning science and ancient times.
Okay. Anyone has been to Bihar?
Ma'am, I also see this.
Ma'am, I
Bodh
also
Gaya.
visited the Bihar.
Ma'am, when I was in second class, Bodh Gaya, I have also visited.
Ma'am, I go the Bihar when I in the first class. Ma'am, when I see one tree, ma'am, Bargat ka tree, and ma'am, I have wish also that tree.
Oh, you made a wish.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
I have also.
All right, very nice. I have never
The
been.
garden is so beautiful.
What is
and the-
beautiful?
Ma'am, the garden in the Bihar, Bodh Gaya, is the very beautiful, and we play in this.
Okay, it is a very beautiful garden. All right, very nice. So what is the capital of Bihar? Jharkhand? What is it?
Ma'am, Patna.
Patna.
Ma'am, Patna.
Uttar Pradesh, what is this? Okay, it is bordered by Nepal in the north, West Bengal in the east, Uttar Pradesh in the west, and Jharkhand in the south. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Underline all the rivers, beta, that flow through the state. Then Bihar has a warm climate with monsoons in July and August, just 2 months of monsoon. The state has many rivers. The fertile soil is used for cultivation of crops. And what crops grow here? Rice, sugarcane, vegetables. Children, have you seen one thing? All the states that lie in the northern plains, more or less same kinds of
Yes, ma'am.
crops grow there. Wheat, rice, sugarcane, maize. These are the crops of all the states. Rice.
And ma'am, they have fertile soil.
Yes. Rice, pulses, and vegetables form the staple food. What is staple food? What do you mean by staple food? What is our staple food? Tell me. Staple food means the food that you have on daily basis. Generally, what is cooked in our houses on daily basis?
Ma'am, chapati.
Yes. Chapati and
Ma'am, rice.
rice. Very good. And
Ma'am,
Ma'am, dal.
dal.
ma'am, pulses.
Yes. Dal or pulses. And
Vegetables.
so our staple food is
In
also,
my house, there all vegetables are made.
yes, all the vegetables are made. And it is very good to have all the vegetables. Yes. So in Bihar also, it is the same food. People, as their staple food, eat rice, pulses, and vegetables. Litti chokha is one of the most famous dishes of Bihar. And it is also famous for Madhubani paintings. People here make cane and bamboo articles and daris. Bhagalpur is famous for its fine quality silk. Bhagalpur is a place which is famous for its silk, and there is also a silk that is found in the market with the name of Bhagalpuri silk. Do you know that? It is Bhagalpuri silk. Then it has a lot of historical importance which attracts tourists. Like Gautam Buddha spent many years living and preaching in Bodh Gaya. Nalanda, an ancient Buddhist monastery, is a center of learning since ancient times. So children, you must know all the important things, important places, important food of all the states. You may get these kind of questions in Match the Following. Yes, Litti Chokha is a famous food of dash state or of the state of dash. Anything you will get in fill in the blanks. Then coming on to the next state. The next state is West Bengal. Shirsh, read out to me.
Ma'am, he is red.
Ma'am, I have not read. Ma'am, I have discussed.
Yes.
Ma'am, he has read.
Which state did he read? Okay, tell. Which state did he read?
Ma'am, Lucknow. Ma'am, Lucknow.
No,
No?
I don't read.
Sorry, ma'am, Punjab. Sorry, Punjab.
No, I don't read.
No.
No, ma'am,
Punjab was-
Punjab was read by Athav Singh. Delhi.
Bengal is situated in the eastern part of India. The state has a unique location with the Himalayas in the north and the Bay of Bengal in the south. Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal, is situated on the east bank of the river Hooghly, which is a distributary of the river Ganga.
Hooghly. Beta, it's Hooghly.
Hooghly. Howrah Bridge, which is a huge steel bridge, is constructed over the Hooghly River. The Ganges flowing into the Bay of Bengal along with the river Brahmaputra forms the Sundarban Delta, which is home to the Royal Bengal tigers. West Bengal is one of the largest producer of rice and jute in India. The hilly areas in the north are famous for producing fine quality tea, wheat, potato, and mangoes are also cultivated here. Rice and fish are the staple food of West Bengal. The state is also famous for its sweet, rasgulla and sandesh. West Bengal is famous for the beautiful hand embroidered khanta work, kantha work, which is done on silk and cotton fabrics. Bengali is the main language spoken in West Bengal. Kolkata is known as the city of joy. The places of tourist interest are the Victoria Memorial, Botanical Garden, and Kalikhand Kali Temple.
Kali Ghat
Santi-
Kali Temple.
Yes, ma'am.
Kali Ghat Kali Temple.
Kalighat Kali Temple. Shantiniketan A famous university was set up by the renowned poet Rabindranath Tagore here. Kolkata was the yes, ma'am.
Renowned. The pronunciation is
Renowned,
yes.
renowned poet Rabindranath Tagore here. Kolkata was the first city to have an underground metro rail system in India. It is the only city to have trams as a means of transport. Mother Teresa spent her life serving the poor in this city. Darjeeling, a hill station in the north of Bengal, West Bengal, also attract tourists.
Okay. So much about the state of West Bengal. Yes. West Bengal
Yes,
is known
ma'am.
as West Bengal, but it is situated on the eastern side. Can you tell then why it is called West Bengal? Situated
Ma'am,
on
please wait.
eastern side of India. Yes, Shish.
Ma'am, I have to think.
Just think. Situated on the eastern side of India, the state is known as West Bengal. Why?
Ma'am, because the Bay of Bengal is on west.
Okay, you are a little close to it. It is the western part of the country Bangladesh. Yes, Bangladesh lies to the east of India, children.
Yes, ma'am.
It is a part of Bangladesh, west side of Bangladesh. That is why it is known as West Bengal. Then the state has a unique location with Himalayas in the north and Bay of Bengal in the south. Bay of Bengal lies to the south of West Bengal. Kolkata, we all know, is the capital of West Bengal. And is situated on the east bank of river Hooghly, which is a distributary of Ganga. Havra Bridge. How many of you have heard about the bridge Havra? Havra Bridge. Yes, it is a very famous bridge of West Bengal, which is made up of steel. See, it is drawn in the picture also. It is such a
Yes,
huge,
ma'am.
such a long bridge, and it is totally made of steel. Then,
I'm like no other thing.
no, there must be iron rods as well, but it is made of steel as well. Beta, how will steel just sustain so much weight when people will cross, when vehicles, cars, buses will go through it? Yes, you definitely need iron for all this heavy material. Then, the Ganges flowing into the Bay of Bengal. We all know River Ganga flows into the Bay of Bengal. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
along with River Brahmaputra. Both of them merge and fall into River Brahmaputra, which forms the Sundarban deltas. The mouth of these rivers before falling into the main river, before falling into the sea or the Bay of Bengal, it opens up and forms delta. What is the name of that delta? Sundarbans. And
Sundavan.
it is a home to what? To
Royal Bengal Tigers.
tigers. Then West Bengal produces rice and jute. It is also famous for producing fine quality tea. Fine quality tea is also found. Then about the vegetation, we have same like wheat, potatoes, mangoes, etc. And do you know that rice and fish is the staple food of the people of Bengal? Yes,
Ma'am, they eat rice with fish.
yes, it is a very famous food, and that too they eat it with hand. Yes, Pratyaksh, yeah.
Ma'am, not you, but how can?
Why? Why can't they?
Ma'am, I'm scared.
Known as the name in Bengal of this rice and this thing, fish. Do you know what it is called? Macho
ma'am.
bhat. It's macho bhat. Machi stands for fish and bhat is the rice. It is known as macho bhat. Then,
So ma'am, they eat it every day.
yes, in all 3 meals. They eat it in all their meals. People of West Bengal generally don't live on wheat. They don't eat this thing, chapatis. They have rice in their meals.
Ma'am, they didn't become poor eating this.
They didn't become what?
Ma'am, bored.
Oh, they don't get bored. Are you bored of? Yes, beta. Of course, I'm sure like we get bored of chapati, dal, and vegetables. We need special food at times. Don't we need?
Yes, ma'am, but I like sometimes the house, normal house
Homemade
food.
food is the best. Homemade food is the best. But sometimes when you get bored, what do you say? Mummy, aaj kuch acha
Yes,
bana
ma'am.
do. है ना?
हाँ.
Say it like that. Mummy, aaj
Yes, ma'am.
तो मैम इनका ये राइस और फिश होना चाहिए ना स्पेशल फूड.
नहीं बेटा, इनका स्टेपल फूड है ये. अब इनका भी जो स्पेशल फूड है, ये लोग भी कुछ बनाते होंगे. लाइक वी मेक समटाइम्स, व्हाट डू वी मेक एज स्पेशल फूड? वी मेक
छोले भटूरे.
sambar, pav bhaji, pizza. Yes, when we want to have something special, these kind of things are made in our.
मैम बटर पनीर दाल मखनी.
Yes. So that again comes in vegetables and pulses. Apart from vegetables and pulses, if I talk, we want to have
And
some
ma'am,
Indian, we want to have some Chinese, Italian. Yes.
ma'am, Italian I only like pizza.
Yes. Okay. Now coming on to the next part, Kantha work is famous, which is done on silk and cotton fabrics. Do you know what Kantha work is?
And ma'am, it has my favorite sweet,
Sandesh.
rasgulla.
Okay. What is Kantha work, children? Do you know what is Kantha work?
No, ma'am.
No?
It's
Not
not
seen
given in
Kantha work?
the. Ma'am, it's not given in the word meaning.
No, Kantha work, have you seen on any fabric? It comes on bed sheets, it comes on suits, saris, different clothes. Anyone has
wait,
seen
I've
Kantha work? You want to see what Kantha work is?
Ma'am, I'm searching. Kantha work.
I'll show you. I have
Yes,
I have a
ma'am.
Kantha work.
Beautiful. Ma'am, it's so complicated. How can they do this with a needle? Ma'am, this is so complicated.
What is complicated? What is complicated? See,
Ma'am,
this is Kantha work. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, please wait, I'm helping you.
Ma'am, these were in the Bengal.
Yes. See all this thread work. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I've seen this dress. This dress.
This lines, this running stitch on this dupatta. Can
Ma'am,
you
I have seen.
small stitches? Choti lines hai ye.
Ma'am, this is white.
Yes, this white.
Yes, ma'am.
This is Kantha work. And it is,
And ma'am, I have found one more complicated one. Ma'am, can I show you?
yes, sure.
Ma'am, screen share.
Yes. Is it allowed or not?
No,
Allow-
ma'am, not allowed.
Where is allowed?
No, ma'am, host disabled. Participant sharing,
Allow
screen share.
participants to screen share. Okay, now you can do.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I was saying this one. This one
Wow.
is complicated.
Yes. See, the small stitches, that is what I'm talking about. This little stitches, this is called Kantha work. So
Yes,
beautiful.
ma'am, that's what I'm saying.
And you know how expensive it is?
Ma'am, how?
Very expensive because it is mainly done on silk. So it is a very expensive work. Very nice and beautiful things come of Kantha work. Whether it is saris or it is bed sheets or anything. Suits and all. Jackets, coats.
So, ma'am, it will be 2,000, 3,000.
Yes. Even more than that. It's very
Ma'am, 10,000.
beta, yes. The pure silk
Ma'am,
sari,
it will just go to 50,000
it can.
if it is
Definitely it can. There is
1 lakh.
There is no limit. Starting from 3,000, it can go up till 50,000, 60,000.
1 lakh.
Now, Shish, where do you want to go till? If I say yes, you will
Ma'am, 1 crore.
be shocked. But it is a fact that shawls and all which come in pure Kashmir with kantha work, they cost this much.
Ma'am, but I was thinking, why does the in Kolkata the government and the police workers wear white dress? In the photo, it's also.
Yes, they wear white uniform.
But in all over the India, they wear brown.
Yes, they wear
Yes.
khaki color. We must find it out. Hai na? Why do they wear white?
Ma'am, okay, ma'am, I am searching.
Not right now. Go search and let us know tomorrow on Monday. Okay. Then Kolkata is also known as the city of joy. We have studied this in UK. I remember. The places of tourist interest are Victoria Memorial, Botanical Gardens, Kalighat Kali Temple. Shanti Niketan is a famous university which was set up by Rabindranath Tagore. Then, Kolkata is the first. Beta, mute yourself. Who is not muted? Pratyaksh, mute yourself. Kolkata.
Ma'am, find it. Why do they wear?
Why?
Ma'am, please wait. I cannot read that, but I will show you that. Please wait. And the reason behind is the refusal.
That the Kolkata
Ma'am,
faces extreme temperatures and it is an inland state, hardly surrounded by any water bodies. White is a color that reflects heat rather than absorbing it, makes it an ideal choice of uniform. Okay, so Kolkata being very hot, this is why. They just don't want to
yes,
attract
ma'am.
by any dark color.
So, ma'am, in all over the India,
Yes.
there is cold, but in this place there is hot.
According to this Google research, we come to know this only, according to the Google research. Then let's just finish this state, beta. West Bengal. Kolkata is the first city to have underground metro rail system. Yes, underground metro. It was the first city. Now it is there in other cities also like Delhi and all. But Kolkata was the first one. It is the only city to have trams. Have you seen trams?
Ma'am, what is trams?
Trams are the trains that run on road.
Yes, ma'am,
Otherwise,
using electricity.
yes. The track is made. The
Yes,
track,
ma'am, they are connected with a wire on their top and run on roads on their tracks.
yes. People also work there. People move there in their vehicles, and trains also cross from there only. They are trams. Then, Mother Teresa spent her life serving the poor in this city. Where did Mother Teresa live? In Kolkata only. Darjeeling, a hill station in the north of West Bengal, also attracts tourists. Yes, Darjeeling is in where? West Bengal only. Sorry, in the north of West Bengal. And it attracts a lot of tourists. So that is all.
Yes, ma'am, but in the photo it is given. They have not shown trams.
They have not
They
shown.
have buses and autos.
What is this green color thing? Yes, these are buses only. But see, the railway track is made. The train track, sorry. Yes, can you see where the train moves?
Yes, ma'am, the white.
Yes, ma'am, 2 tracks.
Yes, two
Yes,
tracks.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am, there's some space between these two lines. Ma'am, small gap in these two lines.
Where the tire fits in. This
Yes,
gap is
ma'am.
where the tire fits. So that is all for today. This DIY activity, you can do it, beta. Write 3